In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affinity Photo. We'll keep things simple and practical, so by the end you'll feel comfortable opening an image, making basic edits like cropping and adding text, and enhancing your photo with adjustment layers for clean, non-destructive editing. First, launch Affinity Photo on your computer so you're looking at the main workspace. From the top menu, go to File, then Open. A file browser appears, navigate to the photo you want to edit, select it, and click Open again. Give it a moment to load. You should now see your image in the center with toolbars on the left and top and the Layers panel on the right. If your Layers panel isn't visible, you can enable it from the View menu under Studio, which helps you keep track of everything you add. Now let's make a quick composition change. Select the Crop tool from the toolbar on the left, then drag the handles to reframe your subject. You can use presets like common aspect ratios or type in custom values. Keep an eye on the corners and the horizon. A slight rotation can straighten a tilted shot. When you're happy, commit the crop. To add a caption or watermark, choose the Artistic Text tool, click on the canvas, and type. Use the Context toolbar to adjust font, size, color, and alignment. Each new text element appears as its own layer on the right, which means you can move, hide, or edit it later without affecting the underlying image. For overall tonal and color control, look to the top toolbar. Click the pixel option, hover over New Adjustment Layer, and choose the adjustment you want. Brightness, contrast, levels, curves, or HSL are great places to start. These adjustments sit above your image as separate layers, so edits remain non-destructive. Double-click an adjustment to tweak it, toggle its visibility to compare before and after, and reorder adjustments to change how they stack. If you need to apply an effect to only part of the image, use the layer mask that comes with the adjustment and paint with a soft brush to reveal or hide the effect precisely. That's it. Open, crop, add text, and refine with adjustment layers for a clean, flexible workflow in Affinity Photo.